Okay, hi everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back to see me. I have been requested to add some more content of my food. I'm a big fan of Reese's Pieces, and I can't eat them anymore because I am lactose intolerant. So,
Shit. Tiff, we're just gonna meet you outside, okay?
yeah. I found a recipe that is amazing. This is chocolate with peanut butter and chocolate, and then I added some nuts on top of half of my batch, and then the other half is just chocolate. So look at that. Look at that peanut butter. Oh my God. It's so chocolatey and it's so rich. And look, it has like the little things too, like Reese's does. Okay. If you guys if you guys want to know how to make this simple, short dish, stay tuned.